Welcome for another Make It in 2 Minute or Less video. This one we are focusing on faux tearing. You're going to need the Peaceful Petals stamp set, chocolate chip, calypso coral, and crumb cake. It's a paper that I actually ripped off. So this is cardstock, and I do that so it actually holds up much better. Okay, take your stamp set. I'm stamping the big flower with calypso coral. Make sure you actually go over the area of your ripped paper. When it comes to the card, it looks like it has lots and lots of layers, and it looks like it has lots and lots of dimension. Now that also looks a little wild to me. So what I did was I did a lot of beautiful watercoloring with my aqua painter, and then I can just go in and add color to my images. And then do the same thing with your big flowers there. Go ahead and get your crumb cake. This is the part you need to make sure you do, is slowly and softly sponge along this edge. Sponge all the way around to give this a nice, soft, almost vintagey look. Don't go too dark because you'll lose your images. And watch this, when you pull it away, it looks ugly, but then you pull it away, it looks absolutely beautiful and gives you that faux tearing look. Now let's go ahead and finish this card off. I went ahead and wrapped around some vanilla seam binding and trim off the edges so it looks beautiful. And then we are going to glue that down. Peachy color, you can do this with blues, you can do it with purples, you can do it with pinks. You can choose which colors you like the best. Are you ready for another must-have punch combo? It is the 1 1/4 inch circle punch, the 1 3/4 inch scalloped circle punch, and the 1 3/8 circle punch. And this is just going to get stuck right on there, put on our card with a dimensional, and you are all set for an awesome card that's going to say wow, and it's a Make It in 2 Minute or Less.